Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Fisiknya itu lebih bagus sama apa kelihatan semua fisiknya. Ya.
Di depan aku. Di depan aku.
Ya, silakan Aman.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for the chance that has given to me, especially to share Tamrin. My name is Amal, and the topic that I gonna tell is about financial statement, closing journal, and correction journal. Okay. Next, definition. Financial statement are writing record the present information about the financial position and performance of an entity, company, or government within a specific period of time. Next, closing journal. Closing journal are entries made at the end of an accounting period to clear temporary nominal accounts such as revenue, expense, and owner withdrawals and transfer their balance to permanent account, capital, or retained earning, so that these accounts are ready for use in the next period. Next, correction journal. Correction journal is an accounting journal entry made to correct error in previous transaction record, whether in account selection, transaction value, or duplicate entries. Next, types of financial statement. There are 4 types of financial statement. First, income statement. Second, statement of change in equity. Third, balance sheet and last, cash flow statement. Purpose of financial statement. Income statement to assess profitability. Equity statement to show change in owner's investment and retained earnings. Balance sheet to evaluate financial stability and solvency. Cash flow statement to determine cash availability of operation and investment. Next, income statement. Income statement is a financial document that summarizes a company's income and expense during a specific period. Example, monthly, quarterly, or annually, to show whether the company has made a profit or loss. Example, PT ABC, income statement, period January 1 until December 31, 2024. Description, revenue, sales, amount is 2 million rupiah. Cost of goods sold 300,000 rupiah, and gross profit 1,700,000 rupiah. Expense, salaries expense 200,000 rupiah. Supplies expense 100,000 rupiah. Rent expense 100,000 rupiah, and total expense 400,000 rupiah. So net income 1,300,000 rupiah. Next, statement of change and equity. Statement of change and equity is a financial statement that presents detail of change in a company's owner equity during a specific accounting period, whether there has been an increase or decrease. Example, PT ABC. Statement of change in equity, period January 1 until December 31, 2024. Description, starting capital is amount 20 million rupiah. Net income 1,300,000 rupiah. 5 is minus 300,000 rupiah. And closing capital 21 million rupiah. Next, balance sheet. Balance sheet is a part of a financial statement that provides an overview of the financial position of an entity, company at a specific point in time, including assets, wealth, and liabilities debt. Example, PT ABC, balance sheet, period January 1 until December 31, 2024. In debit, assets, current asset, cash 4 million rupiah, supplies 500,000 rupiah, not current asset, equipment 1,500,000 rupiah, so total asset 6 million rupiah. Liabilities, salaries payable 500,000 rupiah, owners equity, so ending capital 5,500,000 rupiah, and total liabilities and equity is 6 million rupiah. Next, cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is a financial statement that shows the actual cash inflows and outflows during a specific period, providing an overview of the source and uses of a company's cash from operating, investing, and financing activities. Example, PT ABC, cash flow statement, period January 1 until December 2024. Cash flow for operating activities, cash received from customer, 1,400,000 rupiah, minus cash payment for expense 2 million rupiah. So net cash flow from operating activities minus 600,000 rupiah. Cash flow from inventory activities, sales, purchase of fixed asset minus 400,000 rupiah. And cash flow from financing activities, cash received as is investment by owner 10 million rupiah less withdrawals by owner 1 million rupiah. So net cash flow from financing activities 9 million rupiah. Net increase in cash and cash equivalent 8 million rupiah. Cash and cash equivalent at the beginning of the period 0 rupiah. Cash and cash equivalent at the of the period is 8 million rupiah. Next, closing journal. Purpose of closing journal. The purpose of closing journal is to close a temporary account revenues, expense, and withdrawals at the end of the accounting period, so that their balance becomes zero, and to transfer the net income or net loss to the capital account. This ensures that the accounts are ready for use in the next period without missing in data from the previous period. Account close in the closing journal. First, revenue account. Revenue accounts that record company revenue are closed by transferring their balance to the income summary account. Second, expense account. All expense account which record company operating expense are closed by transferring their balance to the income summary account. Third, income summary account. This temporary account is used to close revenue and expense account. If the company makes a profit, the income summary account is debited and the capital account is credited. If there is a loss, the capital account is debited and the income summary account is credited. Last, pride account. Pride is the withdrawal of capital by the owner for personal use and is closed by transferring the balance to the capital account. Next example, PT ABC closing journal period 31 December 2024. Account details and explanation. Service revenue in debit 2 million rupiah and income summary 2 million rupiah in credit. Amount is income summary in debit for 100,000 rupiah and salaries expense 200,000 rupiah, supplies expense 100,000 rupiah, and expense 100,000 rupiah in credit. Next, income summary 20 million rupiah in debit and owner's capital 20 million rupiah in credit. Last, owner's capital is 300,000 rupiah in debit and withdrawal 300,000 rupiah in credit. Next, correction journal. Purpose of correction journal. The purpose of a correction journal entry is to fix error made in recording financial transaction, whether due to incorrect account, wrong amount, or misplacement of debit and credit. Correcting entry ensure that the financial statement present accurate and reliable information that reflect the actual financial condition. Next, types of error that require correction journal. First, sum period error, quantity error. When the nominal account of a transaction recorded does not match the actual amount. Classification error. When a transaction is recorded in the wrong account, such recording a purchase of equipment as a purchase of inventory. Funding error occurred when a transaction is recorded in the journal but is posted to the wrong ledger account. Error in different period. Error affecting balance sheet account. Error that occurred in the previous period but still affects the balance sheet account balance, such as assets and liabilities, and are carried over the current period. A correction journal is required because balance sheet account are not closed and will be carried over to the next period. Example, correction journal, wrong account, supplies in debit 1 million rupiah and supplies expense 1 million rupiah in credit. The journal should be supplies expense in credit in debit 1 million rupiah and supplies 1 million rupiah in credit. Second, wrong amount. Electricity expense 1,100,000 rupiah in debit and cash 1,100,000 rupiah in credit. The journal should be electricity expense 1 million rupiah in debit and cash 1 million rupiah in credit.
How many people asking question? Sudah berapa yang bertanya?
Not yet, sir. So all my material for today. Next, we will have a Q&A session. If you have any question, please raise your hand.
Masih ada yang mau bertanya?
Any question, guys? Please.
Me,
Yes.
my name is my question is when very nice. My question is when shall correcting journal be made before or after closing journal?
Yes, thanks
Can you
for
hear me?
the question. Ideally before closing, because any correction must be reflected in the final financial statement. How about Sri?
Ya, silakan jawab. Aman.
Yes, sir. Answer is ideally before closing because any correction must be reflected in the final financial statements.
Or
How about Sri?
yes.
Okay, Aman.
Yes,
Let me
sir.
ask you questions. Can you show the title?
Anyone have any question, guys?
Financial statement, closing journal, and correcting journal ya, bukan correction.
Yes, sir.
Correcting.
Correcting.
Lo harus paralel dengan closing journal. Jadi yang benar itu correcting in, bukan iot. Karena closing paralel dengan correcting. Jadi yang benar tulisannya di situ correcting.
Yes, sir.
Ya. Financial statement. We have to close journal. Yes, in every year, in every end of the year, for example, December,
Yes, sir.
closing journal, yes.
Yes, sir.
When can we close the journal? When can we close the journal?
Close the
Apa
journal.
pertanyaanku, Amal?
Close the journal is last month. And of period sir.
Do we have close the journal every day?
No sir, because closing journal is less period sir.
Not every day.
Yes sir, not.
So when do I have to close the journal? When do I have to close the journal? Kapan saya harus menutup jurnal?
End of period sir.
Okay, the last question. What is the relationship between closing journal and correcting journal? What is the relationship between closing journal and correcting journal? Closing and correcting journal. What is the relationship?
Closing journal are entries made at the end of an accounting period to clear temporary accounts as revenue expense and owner withdrawal and transfer their funds to permanent account, so that these accounts are ready for use in the next period. And collecting journal and contain journal entry made to correct error in previous transaction record, whether in account selection, transaction value, or duplicate entries.
Okay, Amal. Thank you. You close your observation.
Yes, sir. Conclusion. Financial statements are the final result of the accounting process that present information about the financial position, performance, and cash flow of a company to aid in decision making. Closing journal are made at the end of the accounting period to close temporary account, revenue, expense, and owner's draw, so that the account balance return to zero and net profit or loss is transferred to capital. And correcting journal are used to correct transaction recording errors so that accounting records are accurate and financial statements are reliable. Vocabulary. Withdrawals. According to Oxford Dictionary, withdrawal is the act of taking amount of money out of your bank account. Occur. According to Oxford Dictionary, occur is something to be happen. Ledger. According to Oxford Dictionary, ledger is a book or electronic document in which a bank business is record the money is not paid and received. Statement. According to Oxford Dictionary, statement is something that you say or write that gives information or an opinion. Reliable. According to Oxford Dictionary, reliable is that can be trusted to do something well, that you can rely on. Less overview. According to Oxford Dictionary, overview is a general description or an outline of something. That's all from me. Thank you for the attention and participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam